In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L6260 printers and two others model using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable your antivirus for a while, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, you can just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. Please click Extract button here. Then open the resetter folder and run the adjustment program. In here, you can click Select button and there is Epson L6260 and two others models. Okay, for example, we choose OK here and select particular adjustment mode button and select was ink pad counter and click OK. This resetter only works with Platen Pad counters because for maintenance box counter, it have separated, so you must reset with the hardware. Software cannot reset the maintenance box counter for this Epson. After that, you can click Check button. Then you can click Initialize button. After the reset is successfully, you can just click Finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, immediately turn on your printer again. If you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. If you have any question, you can fill in the famous comment below. And thanks for watching.